Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Remedial Lecture 1, Factors Affecting the Induced EMF in the Coil. The EMF equation we will discuss when an alternator is having full pitch or concentrated winding. But when an alternator is having distributed and short pitch winding, then the per phase EMF equation will change and it will become like generated EMF is equal to 4.44 phi NP F Kp Kd. Here Kp is pitch factor and Kd is distribution factor. Pitch factor, it is nothing but the ratio of phasor sum of induced EMF coil to the arithmetic sum of the induced EMF per coil. This is known as pitch factor or coil span factor. It is always less than unity. Let the coil have a pitch short by angle theta electrical space degree from full pitch and induced EMF in each coil side E. Then the total coil would be full pitched and the total induced EMF should be 2E if it is full pitch coil, but it is short pitch, therefore the resultant sum of the induced EMF will become 2E cos theta by 2 and the pitch factor will become phasor sum of the coil side EMF divided by the arithmetic sum. So the pitch factor will comes out to be cos theta by 2. Here theta is the angle through which the pitch is short coil. The second factor comes out to be distribution factor. The pitch factor is the coil is expressed in terms of nth harmonic as cos n theta by 2. Distribution factor, it is the ratio of phasor sum of the induced EMF in all the coils distributed in number of slots under one pole to the arithmetic sum of the induced EMFs induced in the resultant coil under one pole if the coil is concentrated. So distribution factor is also always less than unity. Let n number of slots per pole be q and number of slots per pole per phase be small q. Then the induced EMF in each coil can be represented as EC and the angular displacement between the slots is gamma. Then the resultant diagram can becomes like this and the induced EMF resultant is represented by ER. If the bisector drawn AC AD, AC CD, DE EF and so on, then they would meet a common point at O. The O will be the center of the circle drawing by AC, CD, DE, EF and so on. So the induced EMF in each coil can be represented as AC here, and AC can be if we divide it into two parts equal triangle, then it will become 2OA sin gamma by 2. 2OA sin gamma by 2 and arithmetic sum will become small q multiplied by 2OA sin gamma by 2 and the resultant EMF now become AB, which is 2OA sin AOB by 2 and the distribution factor comes out for the nth harmonic component will be sin nq gamma by 2 divided by q sin n gamma by 2, where n is the order of the harmonics. So this is all about the distribution factor and winding factor. Actually both the pitch factors and distribution factors are calculated in terms of harmonics, because the harmonics, to reduce the harmonics we are making the arrangement like distribution winding and short pitch coil, so that the harmonics in the induced EMF can be reduced. So this is all about the widening factors. Thank you.